You touched it and you wore it, and you kept it in your pillow all the same. My high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself a keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman over woods, but I could never shoot down my high-flying bird. The white walls of your dressing room are stained in scarlet red. You bled upon the cold stone like a young man. In the foreign field of death. Oh, wouldn't it be wonderful, is all I heard you say. You never closed your eyes at night and learned to love daylight. Instead you moved away. My high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself a keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman over woods, but I could never shoot down my high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself a keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman over woods, but I could never shoot down my high-flying bird. My